Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, please share the video or click like. And you can also comment below. Now today I'm going to show you how to add a blank page to a Microsoft Word document. Let's say you want to have a blank page within your document. It's so easy to do that. You just open your document and then position your cursor where you want to add the blank page. And in my case, I'm going to add here, the second page. I want it to be blank so I can add some graphics or any other things. So I'm going to position my cursor right on top of the page, and then I just I go to the menu, and then if I go to menu, I just click on Insert. And then you can see the icon blank page. So click on Insert and then click blank page. And you can see automatically I have a blank page here. And I can add more information on it. Let me just fix this because I already had a blank page. So I don't want to have two. I show you how to remove it. So this is my second page, and I click blank page. So let me remove this one. So I only have one blank page. That's how it's done, and you can start adding information in your page. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about Microsoft Word, please browse our videos. You can learn how to insert pages, how to insert cover page, how to insert numbers, how to check your spellings, and so on. So we give really basic all the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word perfectly. Thank you for watching our videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.